For the fourth challenge in Badge 1, we were asked to write a paper explaining why and how we chose our course theme. So to start off, I had a blank sheet of paper. I did a quick outline in a notebook earlier, and then I got to work. I then wrote this first draft. Just quickly kind of jotted down my thoughts and wanted to make sure I had everything I wanted in my outline. I then sent it to an individual who then read through it, changed some spelling, punctuation, and grammar. We also had a conversation over the phone about how I could improve my writing as well as make some changes or better statements up on why I chose this topic. And then that led us to our final draft, third grade writing, which I have submitted already. And this just again is the polished copy of the challenge.